Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to clean up the molds on your washing machine. Here, my washing machine was exactly like this picture before. I didn't take a photo of mine because I didn't expect this method to be successful. So here you can see a lot of black molds building up on this surface. I tried to use bicarbonate and vinegar, but they all failed. And there are even more black molds inside these folding back areas here, which you'll see later. Just to show these molds are actually growing on this surface over here. So what we need to do to clean these molds? It's actually really simple and practical. This one is the toilet bleach. I just got this from the supermarket. Well, I guess everyone has this at home to make their toilet white and shiny. This one is a makeup pad. It is also easily accessible from the supermarket. Well, just like this pad over here from this bag. So what you need to do is simply peel the pad from midline into two, because the whole pad is just too thick to absorb the bleach. And then we can dip this pad into the bleach. Then they will be exactly like this over here, and then we can cover them on the mold surface. I even peeled them further in half so they can better fit in the edges, yeah, like this. And here are more of them inside. And these ones, they stay quite nicely on the folding back areas. They're better than tissues because tissues just won't stay still on this surface. They will just drop. Well, alright, after 20 minutes, let's see how it goes. We remove this pads. Well, now the molds are all gone. I'm not cheating here. They were exactly like the picture before. That's just the power of the bleach. Let's, see from inside. Oh, let's just move this away. Well, there's still some spot of mold left, but it is definitely better than before. Just get rid of this, the liquid here. You can see from here, still a bit of mold left, but before the dark molds were covering all along this area. And also, don't forget this area here. I also put pads on this area. There are a lot of molds hidden here as well. Okay. Right, after we have removed all the pads, the surface is a lot better inside. We can see from here, well, it's quite clean. Really clean here. Well, look at here. But we still get some hard brown spots staying here. But I have to say they're really hard and old because this is my third cleaning try. And this surface on the side is much better now. This hidden area as well, you can see it's much better than before. See, it's all cleaned, right? So, let's get into our conclusion. There are three things you need: the toilet bleach, the makeup pad. Remember to peel this in half into two so it can better absorb the bleach. The last thing you need is to wear glasses to protect your hand from the damaging chemicals. So, after all these steps, remember to run an empty washing cycle to flush away all the bleach left on the surface. Alright? Okay, thanks for watching.